Today I'm going to show you how to make a copy so that you can use documents that people have sent to you and use it for your own so they're not shared with others, or to use a pre-existing document as a template. A perfect example of this is a math grade sheet. On a grade sheet, you often want to put a student's name in the grade sheet. So let's say I make a list of students' names. Just throw a few in there. So once the students' names are in the list, I want to use that as my list, and I want to maybe change some of the things at the top of the list. I might want to name it something different. In the past, in Microsoft Word, you'd go to File, Save As, you'd save it differently and rename the document. In order to do this, you have to think of it in an opposite way. If this is what I want, I have to think of it as running it through a copy machine first before I make any changes. So I'll go to File, and I'll go down to Make a Copy. When I click Make a Copy, it says enter a new document name. If I don't enter that name, it's just going to come up as copy of math grade sheet. Sometimes people like to leave it like that, but if you change it over and over again, it'll start saying copy of, copy of, copy of, copy of, as many times as you make a copy. So instead, I like to change it right at the beginning, and maybe this time I'll call it math grade sheet. If it has been shared with people, you can click this box and it'll be shared with the same people. If you don't want to share it with anybody, leave that box blank. Click OK, and now you've made a copy. At the top of your screen, you'll see a new tab with your new document in it. You can actually toggle between the two documents. Your old document and your new document will be there, and you can start seeing the changes that are made. It's just taking a second to boot up now. Once you're there, you'll be able to find this in your Google Drive. It'll be in the same folder that your original document was in. If your original document is in Drive, you'll just simply find it in Drive again. If you're having trouble finding it, remember you can always go to the search bar at the top of Drive, type in the name, and it'll tell you where it is. I hope this helps on showing you how to make a copy.